Hello. So I'm really sorry. I almost always watch the whole video through before I post it, and this time I watched a minute and copy and pasted and then realized it stops working about a minute in. So I'm going to pick up after Tammy talking about Zach. I really appreciated how you asked us to challenge the opinions of the faculty and staff, not just the students. That is something that I think slipped my mind a little bit when creating my own campaign. And I think that that's great, and it's super important to remember that faculty and staff are not superhumans with, these perfect moral compasses, and that we need to make sure that we and other faculty and staff are not ignorant as well, and make sure that we're understanding our own privilege and making sure that we practice what we preach, because we cannot expect our students to behave in a way that we do not ourselves behave as role models. So I really enjoyed that you pointed that out, Zach. Tina, overall, I think it's brilliant to incorporate your campaign activity into the first-year seminar. Even if students were in a certain environment for the first 18 years of their life and believed a certain thing before, if we can catch them the second they step out into our campus and hit them with our culture, that, hey, we don't behave this way on campus. We do not support discriminatory behavior. We recognize our own privilege. We work to counteract that. And I think that it's so important that we do have something like this, if we don't already, in the first year seminar, because it is a guaranteed way to hit every single head, in the freshman class, and make sure that every mind has heard this lesson and heard this, just been made aware of this issue, I guess. So that was really, really great idea, Tina. Adina, just in general, I was in your discussion group last week as well as this week, and I just always appreciate your honesty and your insight on the matter coming from a black female perspective. Hearing that you still get hassled in the store simply because of your skin color when you have the same purse on as I do and you're there to pay just like anyone else. That's so frustrating, and I'm glad you share those stories and those experiences that you and your friends have of being careful where you congregate in public simply because of race. It's so unfortunate, but I think that hopefully the more we hear stories like this, the more that we can make sure that we're not ignorant to the fact that it's still going on. I also really liked your title of your campaign, Open Your Mind to the Truth. I think sometimes because we ourselves don't necessarily have a racist point of view, it's easy to forget that other people still do. And so I think just opening our minds to the truth, to the fact that there is white privilege and there are still many discriminatory behaviors going on in the world is important. And I really value all of our conversations through this class, because I think that having this conversation is the seed to spreading equality and social justice. So thank you everyone for your time and your insight.